What up, chum bags? Good morning. So it's shit, it's probably like 5:36 in the morning. I got up early today to go fishing. So I got a little clip I want to share with you guys. This was me yesterday. I checked out on my bass forecast app, and it said it was going to be really good around noon. So I checked out this lake that I sometimes fish at night for bass. With grass bottom, probably about 15 feet. So I was throwing a chatterbait for a while and caught a couple bass. And I threw a worm a couple times and caught some bass. Saw a couple peacocks and some largemouth hiding underneath this grass line that was sitting right on the bank. The bank is probably about 4 feet deep, just right as soon as you go in. There's no ledge or nothing. So I put on a little rattle trap and started running that down the bank. And I caught one peacock and two small little largemouth. So hit it around the corner, casted, and had a giant fish come out of nowhere. And I thought it was a largemouth. So I casted back in that same area, and sure enough, bam, it was a giant fish. So stay tuned, watch, see what it was, see how much it weighed. Probably one of the fattest of that species I've seen in a long time. Huge gut on it. It's been eating well. So thank you guys for following, subscribing. More Bentley's tips and techniques coming soon. Hope you guys have a good Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Get you a slob. Sheesh. Oh, is that a fish? Oh shit. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I knew that was a fish. Woo! Woo! Pulling a drag on her. Pulling a drag on her. Okay. Oh man, I thought it was a largemouth. Oh, damn. Thought that was a largemouth. Holy shit. Look at that. Holy crap. Look at that, guys. I thought that was a largemouth. Oh, look at that. Pre-spawn beast. Pre-spawn beast. Oh, I gotta weigh that. Good God. Good God. Look at that thing. Oh my God, look how fat it is. This is not on the bed. This is a big pre-spawn peacock. Oh my God. Holy smokes. I thought it was a bass that came out. I switched to the rattle trap. All right, let's weigh this guy. Oh shit, man, he's heavy. He is heavy. Good God, that thing is fat. That's got to be 6 pounds. Let's try it again. We're zeroed out. Holy shit. All right. All right, relax. What does that say? 5'11". Oh, sorry. 5'12". 5'12", fatty, out of nowhere. Good God, what a beast. What a beast. On the tiny rattle trap. Look at this shit coming out of that thing. Good God, I gotta take some pictures. Oh my goodness. Oh my. All right, guys.
the release. Oh man, out of nowhere. Look at the belly on that. That is not a bedding peacock. That is a post-spawn giant. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording.